Today is day 7 of improving my speech and becoming a better public speaker. So today's question that I asked ChatGPT the most 20 questions to understand a human deeply. What would be the 20 questions that you are going to ask to someone to understand a person deeply? So it gives me 20 questions, a list of 20 questions, and I have been speaking on those 20 topics for next 20 days. So I have already completed 6 days, 6 days or fifth days. I think this is the sixth question that I'll be speaking on, and I'll be speaking. I have taken this challenge to speak clearly, confidently, and becoming a better public speaker. I won't be making a lot of facial expression, but I will try to practice as much as I can so that I can improve my delivery, speech delivery. So today's question is what's the belief you hold strongly that most people around you disagree with? Okay. What's a belief you hold strongly that most people around you disagree with? Okay. So, as per my understanding, my belief, my experience, I totally believe that whatever you wanted to achieve in your life, that can be achievable. And people generally talked about a lot of things. I wanted to take example of me and my story. I wanted to tell you that how people told me when I was into college of let's take me to you back. Let's take me you to 2020 2018 when I was into my MBA, and I was not a good student, not a good scholar, but I was into different activities that has been there in the college. But I was always inclined towards doing other activities apart from studies that makes my personality like extrovert kind of, and also makes me do things as much as I can during my college days. So when the college first year gets completed, in second year we have to choose an internship. A lot of people says that okay, I wanted to pursue a career in FMCG sector, but there were very few opportunity that people got in a college because around 1200 to 1800 people were appearing for the same company, and most of the people believe that you won't be able to crack the FMCG companies during your internships. But I believe they were wrong at that point of time. I haven't said all those things to them, but when you when people makes you or people around you feel that belief, okay, this is not possible around you, this is not possible, and they have created environment that is like a fear for anyone who is trying to do new things. But I had a strong faith in myself, in my capabilities, in my experience, in my understanding that okay, if I wanted to get this particular job or particular internship, I was very, very, very like I can say that rigid to my decision. Okay, I was very confident on my decision that I will be cracking the FMCG company in coming time. I stayed till the end, and there is one company who picked me, and it is one of the biggest MNC or Indian company in the world. So I was working with them for next 3 months, and after that there are around a lot of things. After completing my internship, I didn't get a job. During that, COVID happened, and a lot of people say that still you have to do this job, take a job and start your journey. But I was like very, very, very uh, faith believer and believe in capabilities, believe in experience, believe in self confidence was there too much. And I'm a big believer of God and universe, that if I'm working for something, God will give me that opportunity. If it is not there, it will create for me. And that happens. I got a FMCG job again, what I wanted every time. And after that, I inclined my experiences into that. I gained experiences over there, and again I got interest into data analytics. And I spoke to a couple of people around me. They said, I wanted to do this. They said, this is bullshit. You won't be able to do this because out of 100 people, only one or two people can do this, and you are not one of them. That it is not easy to crack a job in FMCG companies, or I can say that it is not easy to crack a job in data analytics or in IT from non-IT field. I was into marketing, hardcore marketing sales job, but I wanted to get into a data analytics. And after 1.5 years, around 1.25 years, I have like working tirelessly to get this done. And that moment came, and I got a job. I got a job in very big company I was working with, and then I again got a job in data analytics itself. And fortunately, I've been working on all those aspects that people believe this is not possible. But what's good for me, I'll always find me, and I find them those opportunities. That's how like I try to counter all those beliefs which people makes around you, and the thing that not possible kind of thing that people makes environment around you. That's what challenged me actually. Then I can say that okay, these are all the bullshits that people have created in their mind. Okay, if I'm having this much thing, I can do that. If I'm this much, I will do that. But this is all bullshit. Your time will pass, and you won't be able to do those things that you always wanted to have in your life. So I would suggest you guys to do things which makes you happy, which makes you feel like that okay, you are doing things which you are enjoying as. But as always, don't make people don't allow people to take decision of your life. What you want, you can seek guidance, but you cannot ask them to, like, there might be opinion differences for like that, but they cannot deny you. And if they are more demotivating you and creating an environment around you, just leave that circle as early as possible. I was also into the same situation. That's why I'm telling from my personal experience that this thing happens. And always, always, always keep working hard towards your goal, towards whatever you are doing in your life. I totally believe that you can achieve, you can conquer whatever you want in your life. That's what I understood from my experience. And like there are a lot of people who says we are not getting calls because of this, because of this, because of that, because of that. But I have a firm belief, okay, if you are doing something good, something will happen. If you are not doing anything, nothing will happen. So try to make yourself with a optimistic and positive approach. Like, if I'm shooting this video, why I'm shooting this video? Because I wanted to improve myself, my communication. I wanted to improve things which makes me scared of every single time that I've been trying to achieve. So this is one of them, that I cannot speak. I was not able to speak in front of camera. I sometimes I felt like anxiety. Sometimes a lot of people are there, and I cannot speak clearly. I cannot speak confidently in front of them. But now I have conquered this fear of speaking in front of thousands of people. And in next 180 days, I can guarantee you that I will be a different person in next 6 months. And I'm damn sure you will be watching entire journey of me becoming a better public speaker, a good conversationalist, good conversationalist, and all those YouTube videos I have been watching, I will be sharing each and everything on my Instagram, or I can say that, or I can upload it on YouTube description, that videos that you are seeing. And I think you must also practice all those things which helps you in your real life, or whenever you are approaching someone, your conversation, your communication will stand out you. That's what my experience. Have seen a lot of people with just one click or one conversation, once they start, they will catch the people, or they will like attract the people. That's how I wanted to be a good speaker, good conversationalist, and as well as the public speaker, and speaking in front of 500 people. This is my dream of speaking in front of 500 people, and I will be the person, or I will be the host for that particular event, I can say that. And I will be doing that. This is very, very, very close to me right now, and I'm very close to that moment. And next few months, it's about few months, I will be there. I can guarantee you. This is my real, this is my documented video, I can say that. I will cut it from here and I will post it on Instagram or something, like somewhere on platforms. So that's how I will do all those things. And I think you should also start practicing. You should also start speaking in front of camera and analyze. Still, I'm not analyzing all those conversations that I have been doing, but once I'll complete this 20 series question, that okay, I have that much of content, that much of speaking styles, that much of trials that I have done, then I can say that okay, this is what I wanted to be, this is what I wanted to improve in myself. I will try as many as techniques to speak clearly, concisely, precisely, and with the intonation in my voice, with the 82 words per minute algorithm that I will also try and follow. I will be doing everything live in front of the camera, so that I can tell people, okay, this is what I have been doing for so long, and this is what has helped me to improve my communication skill. So with all this, with all due respect, I will make sure that I'll be a good public speaker. And if you are in the same journey, if you are following the similar path to becoming a better version of yourself, I would highly recommend you to uh, practice as much as you can, speak well, speak slowly, and practice as much as you can, and try to in like, if you're in the same situation, the same journey, I would suggest start documenting yourself, and you will see the magic in front of the camera. Right now you are behind the camera. One day you will be in front of 5,000 people, 500 people, and you will be addressing those people. Hello everybody, my name is Avinash, and thank you so much for joining. Something like that I will be doing, and I'm manifesting this. This will happen. So with all you, just do your best and improve yourself every single day. And I'm damn sure that whenever somebody is taking my interview, he must or she must be like attract to my personality on, I mean my communication or my voice only, nothing more than that. That's what I wanted to be, or that's what I wanted to achieve in my career, in my life. So with all this, I think I'm done with today's topic, and let's do one more thing. And do keep subscribe my channel, keep supporting me. Do subscribe my channel, like the video if you like the journey, and if you wanted to be a part of this journey, do let me know in the comments. This is my day one, this is my day two, and I will be speaking in the like without any filtered, with unedited video. I'll be posting raw and real video. I don't care about editing and everything. Just watch this video, how I have been improving every single day. That's what my goal. And after some time, you'll see the difference. Thank you so much for that. And I would suggest to practice as much as you can and keep believing in yourself. That's what my philosophy as well. And just do good deeds and improve yourself. Thank you so much.